Hi, my name's Lenny and I'm from Simply Go Education. I just wanted to share with you an amazing thing that's happened this week. We have many amazing things happen in many weeks, but in particular, I wanted to pick this one out. One of the things that we do here is we help our youngsters to go from learners to earners. And in doing so, we build self-confidence, self-belief through the purposeful engagement of projects. What does that really mean? Okay, well, they build stuff like this. This is a project created by one of our students with pretty much hands off from me. Gave them a manifest, gave them some circuit diagrams, bought the parts, they basically put it all together. Now that is a big thing. This is probably the first time they've picked up a soldering iron. It's quite a complex bit of kit and it worked first time. So I'm going to show you what this thing does. So here we have a board built by one of our students this week. It's called the Retro Chip Tester Pro. You can find out more about it from the address on the website and down here on the board. I'll put it in the links. Essentially, this board allows you to kind of do what it says on the tin, really. Take an old chip of some sort. We're going to use this to restore a Commodore Pet. But simply you put the chip the right way into the ZIF socket, plug it in, select the type of chip that you want. So in this case, we've got a logic chip, and it helps if you press the right button. But there we go. So a logic chip. We have a 74 series logic chip. This one is a 7404. So we're going to select that one. 7404, select that one, okay, and it's passed. As simple as that. So if you want to find out what else we do here at Simply Go Education, come and see us in our retro village where we'll have lots of tech like this, showing some of your favourite games, the things that inspired people and generated their curiosity to become cyber pros. At B-Sides Retro Village in Exeter University on the 25th of April. Get your tickets, they're selling like hotcakes. See you soon.